CAE, Cloud Application Engine, is serverless hosting for ultra-fast web and microservice application deployment. This hosting is low-cost and zero infrastructure (ONM). CAE releases applications from source code, software packages, and image packages quickly and easily, with auto-scaling to the second, all built pay-per-use. The whole application lifecycle is manageable with observable metrics. You can create application components in different environments to isolate them. You can create applications and components under an environment to provide services externally. An application component implements a service feature of an application. It is in the form of code or software packages and can be deployed independently. After creating an application on CAE, you can create components in the application. Select the created application and environment from the drop-down list in the upper part of the page and click Create Component. Give a name to your component. Select component version. Select the instance specifications. Select code source. It can be code repository, images, or software packages. For our example, we will use image. Select PaaS Demo FE and latest version. Click Create and Deploy Component. Our front-end application running at port 80, so we must configure access port. Click Configure Component. You can configure RDS for data interaction and CSE for microservice management and governance, and configure environment variables, access modes, AS policies, cloud storage mounting, health check, lifecycle, load collection, performance management, and custom metrics for components. Click Edit in the Access Mode module. Here you can configure both other components' access and external access. In the Access component from another environment area, click Load Balancing, Add Load Balancer. You can select Dedicated or Built-in Load Balancer. The Health Check is for the load balancer. You can create an access control policy to allow or forbid an IP address to access a component. The value can be an IP address or IP network segment. Port settings. Protocol, TCP and UDP are supported. Listening port of the program in a component which is obtained from the user program code. Access port provided by a component for external access, which is set by user and must be unique. Click OK and activate settings in the upper part of the page. In the dialog box display on the right, confirm the configurations and click OK for the configurations to take effect. After activating the settings, you can access the application by copying the URL and port.